In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy email to your Wix website. So if you've been trying to streamline your communication by integrating your GoDaddy email with your Wix site, you're in the right place. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, head over to GoDaddy's website by entering godaddy.com into your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, you should see your email account displayed. Click on your email to access further settings. This will lead you to a more detailed view of your email options. Now, locate account settings and give it a click. Here, you should see a variety of settings that control different aspects of your account. What we're interested in next is clicking on email, which will open up additional configurations related specifically to your email. Now let's switch over to your Wix website. Open a new tab and navigate to your Wix dashboard by going to manage.wix.com. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into the correct account associated with the website you want to link your email to. On your Wix dashboard, look for Account Settings. It should be easy to find on the menu. Under Account Settings, select Business Email. This is the section where you'll handle your email integrations and configurations. To proceed, click on Connect a Domain. This is where you can link the custom email hosted with external services like GoDaddy. Here, you'll find the option to connect a domain you already own. Clicking this will prompt a series of steps to establish a connection to your existing domain. Now it's time to connect to your GoDaddy account directly. This direct connection is what will allow Wix to integrate the domain seamlessly. Throughout this process, you may be asked to authorize the connection between Wix and GoDaddy. Ensure you have your account credentials on hand if needed. This setup will help ensure that all your professional communications are running smoothly from your website. When you're prompted, follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the process. These steps might include verifying the domain or syncing email settings, so be sure to take your time to confirm any prompts. There you have it. With these steps, your GoDaddy email should now be successfully connected to your Wix website, allowing for a seamless communication experience for you and anyone who visits your site. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your platforms connected. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy web managing!